So let's start with the most important point to know more about our project. The parcel we will build the project on located in an area which allocated for a new community. This new community is surrounded by a forest. The land is semi-level and there is a road passes through it. The project plot is located on this route. Considering that there is a difference between the plot level and the road level, approximately 1 meter. Depth of the plot is 24 meters and its width is 9 meters. Considering that there are 6 meters of depth allocated for the house front space, which contains or which will contain car entry, landscape, and movement.